Hi, this is Matt with XLR8 Roofing here in Winter Springs, Florida. I have a roof to look at today. I hope everyone had a good Labor Day weekend. Let's go check it out. This roof also has a flat roof section. You can see here that the water's been ponding, so that it's not running off the way it is intended, so that's going to have to be corrected. There's also, you can tell by the shadow, the darkness here, the way the repair was done. It is very interesting. Whoever did it, my guess is a handyman or a non-licensed roofer, because you can see where they put another layer of cap sheet, probably to just kind of put a band-aid on it, but they tucked it underneath the shingle, but they went up, made a ledge there. So it's all very interesting the way it was done, and it doesn't surprise me that the homeowner has us out now because they need to get this done right away. So as I look closer, I definitely can see what appears to be hail strikes, so I'm definitely going to point that out to the homeowner, so that way they can make a decision on how they want to move forward with their insurance on that. There's also some additional tabs just sitting up, creasing, some not very good repairs, not done by us. So this roof it's had a bunch of repairs, so it is definitely needing a new roof. I mean, a few of the things I can see besides the repairs is that it's got wind damage. You can see the creasing on these shingles here, goes along there, it's loose. There's even tabs missing. So that's a clear-cut sign of some wind damage on this roof. And there's probably even a little bit of hail damage too, if I look closely enough. Here's some previous repairs to the chimney, and they're barely holding on at this point. So as I mentioned, besides the wind damage, it does look like there's even hail strikes on this roof. So I'm definitely going to recommend to the homeowner that we put in an insurance claim